Vincent is not talking to us. So we continue. So now,
it could be the salvage value. Maybe he did subtract the salvage value in the depreciation.
yeah, so Vincent, check on your overall depreciation. Check on it to make sure you take care of it in the F6.
I said he found it.
Oh, okay, it's okay. Okay, I didn't see the chat. Okay, good. Vincent has already gotten it. Good. So we have our profit after tax. And I was bringing an element of the view of whatever expenses we normally charge in the income statement. And when we are looking at the cash flows, what do we look at? We all know, how do we normally prepare a statement of cash flows? We normally start with profit before tax, and then we do adjustments. Yeah, we normally adjust non-cash items, non-cash. And we know very well that depreciation is one of the non-cash items. I believe we know that. Because it is normally charged as an expense on just on accrual basis. Yeah, so it does not involve actual flow of money until it is paid. But again, is there anyone who has ever gone to the bank to pay for depreciation? Who are you paying depreciation for? Depreciation is an non-cash item. We all know that. So that's why when following up on cash, we have to recognize our depreciation. We do not deduct our depreciation. It does not have effect on our cash flows. We were just deducting the depreciation so that we compute tax. But after computation of tax, we bring it back. It is not an expense. We are not spending money on depreciation. So we come back and say, add back depreciation, and we have two elements of depreciation. I believe you remember that. So I can even just go ahead and refer. Which was the first depreciation? The first depreciation was this one. Now, because it is in negative, I want to bring it here as a positive. And because I've referred to it, I just autofill to the end. The 2250, you see where I've gotten it from. That is the first element. The second element of depreciation we deducted before computing tax was this overhaul depreciation. So we also add it back. We have not spent money on this overhaul depreciation. We just recognize it in our income statement for purposes of computing tax so that we don't charge tax on depreciation being an allowable expense. But then we add it back. It does not affect our cash flows. So we make sure we bring it back. Add back, overhaul depreciation like that. Overhaul depreciation.